Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lindsay, and I am back today with another collab with UNicehair. Now, it's been a little while since I've worked with UNicehair, so I was really excited when they reached out to me. So they asked me to review this reddish brown body wave human hair wig. Okay, so today I'm going to be giving you guys the details on this beauty right here. Y'all know, if you don't know, I absolutely love the color, so I am here for this wig color wise, for real, but I'm definitely going to get into the tea about this wig and give you guys some more information. So if you are not familiar with my wig reviews, I will show you the construction of the cap. Then of course I will give you a little bit more details about this wig, and then finally I will let you guys know how I feel about the wig. So if you are interested in hearing all about this wig right here from UNicehair, then keep watching. Now, before I get into the video, I do want to let you guys know that if you participate in the UNice app community activities, you can win free wigs and various prices. Okay, so go ahead and download the UNice app, sign up if you haven't, and definitely get involved with those activities and all that stuff so you can win you some free wigs. So as you guys saw from the previous clip, this wig has 3 combs. It has 2 in the front and 1 in the back. It also has an adjustable strap, and of course this wig is a lace closure wig. I obviously cut the lace for this video, but it is a lace closure wig, and it is a middle part, as you guys can see. Now I did add some powder just right here on the lace. So I tried my best to, melt it as good as I can, but it's whatever. Okay, y'all know it's a lace closure wig. Now, as you guys saw also, they provided me with a whole bunch of goodies, which I absolutely love. They provided me with some earrings, a little mirror, 2 melting hair strap thingies. I forgot the proper name, but y'all know, to help melt the lace. So I got 2 of those, some lashes. Y'all saw it, okay? Y'all saw all those goodies, so I definitely appreciate UNicehair for sending me some goodies along with my wig. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into the details about this wig. So once again, this wig is from UNicehair. This is their reddish brown 4 by 0.75 lace part natural pre-plucked body wave wig. Now the length that they sent me is 22 inches. So this one retails for $214.17. Now of course, if you don't want to pay full price, they do have Klarna and they do have Afterpay, which will divide your total into 4 payments of $53.54. All right, so I don't think I left out any more information, but make sure you guys check the description box for all of the info. In case I did, y'all know how I do. But anywho, this wig, again, she is a body wave wig. I did brush her out, so some of the wave kind of fell out, but nothing too extreme. Okay, it looks really good. It still looks really good. So I'm really loving the color. The length is not bad either. Once again, it is 22 inches, but really pretty. So I do want to thank UNicehair for reaching out to me and asking me to review this wig. I really do appreciate it and hope to work with them again in the future. You guys let me know down below in the comments what you think about this wig as far as the color, texture, length, all of that, the usual. Okay, let me know how you feel about this wig, because I absolutely love her. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and of course share this video with your family and friends. If you're a new subscriber, welcome, and if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button as well as the post notification bell so you're not missing a new upload from yours truly. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in my next one.